What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mark, the chosen one. I'm over here in Puerto Rico. No, I'm just kidding. I'm over here at SOS Customs. Got the boys over there, right? Look at those guns, bro. Sheesh. Motherfucker needs a band-aid, huh? Damn.
Wanna be like you?
Shit, I'm... Alright, I'll take that as a compliment. Guys, Cup build episode, I think this is 4 or 5. I want to go over what's been done, what's going on, what the next step is. It's getting really close now to the finish line, and my favorite part's going to be when the motor goes back in and all the little bells and whistles get added on there. But let me show you what has been done. Last time you guys saw this car, it was painted. Now it is, the rear subframe is fully in. And obviously you're gonna see the Nismo Hike is the lead dog, you know what I'm saying? And everything just looks super good underneath. It's been treated and coated and painted, and it looks real nice. But yeah, this shit looks nice. I like this finish a lot.
We're gonna do on that one too.
Yeah, it looks good, man.
It's just kind of when you, initially we just said, hey, we're just gonna shoot the undercarriage, right? And then either, oh, well, hey, can you drop the subframe for me? I need to get powder coat. I was like, oh, okay, fuck it. So then we started putting it together and we're like, well, this looks good, but then this doesn't look good, but then this, you know, and so we got a little carried away, you know? So.
You know, it's like going to the hometown buffet, you know? Like, you're gonna go there for the corn, the mashed potatoes, the steak.
I think they changed the Golden Corral now. I haven't seen a hometown buffet since
forget hometown buffet.
School,
yeah, forget hometown buffet. But it's like going to a buffet. You know, you want a couple things there, but when you see everything else laid out, you got to have those too. And that's kind of what I've been doing to poor Oscar over here. But you know what? I think it's all going to be worth it.
Right? I mean,
it's all going to be worth it. It is worth it already.
We all like it here. Kevin's been the one kind of putting this thing together for us.
Ooh, shit.
He's been calling all the shots and everything, like nut and bolt. You know, we got a lot of the hardware zinc plated and the black zinc plated like you like.
Yeah, this is nice.
We got all the diff painted, the axles and everything like that, and so on and so forth. All the suspension pieces.
We have all like the Nismo bracing and all that stuff too. You could throw that on, but this is Michael Obama, right? It's nice, bro. I hope I don't get canceled for that one, but this shit looks good. Yummy, yummy.
Yeah, the whole undercarriage is gonna look nice and fresh. Once that's completed, motor's going in, lines, brakes. You got that big brake upgrade right there.
Yeah, once the brakes go on, it's gonna add some color. Next week it's gonna be going for paint, the bumpers and stuff.
Everything is painted except for the hood.
The front end.
Pretty much the dry carbon front end.
Yeah, exactly.
So we're finishing throwing up this week. Once that's good, we're gonna do our final testament on all the panels. Yeah. Send the front clip off the paints and start wet sanding the car. Once that's all pretty much wet sanded, the glass gonna go in. Interior can start, like headliner, all the JDM parts that you got, like all the brand new interior. All
Yeah.
And just little last minute detailing and stuff like that.
That's the fun part for me. Like I feel like that's the fun part in any build is like the last pieces. You know what I'm saying? Like that's the best part. You know?
It's all the homework coming together of all the parts that you got. It's like, oh, don't forget this. We got all these little things, and I mean, on this car, there's a laundry list of brand new Nismo and this and JDM and
these fucking guns, bro.
Yeah, from lifting up your freaking motor and tranny like.
Well, I just pulled my fucking back, man.
When do you ever see a Nismo floppy disk?
I'll give you a floppy. You want a floppy?
That's a different type of floppy.
Where'd you get that from?
What's that secret sauce?
Oh, from the MFD.
We gatekeep over here, bro.
Oh, I see.
I'm sorry.
No, it's all good. Oh, by the way, Nismo MFD, guys, I got these on deck. They don't really. They're pretty. Well, they're discontinued for sure, but you can still find them. Sometimes they come with the button. Sometimes they don't come with the button. That shit pisses me off. But yeah, I have a few. If you guys need some, they're not cheap. They're expensive. So if you guys need it, let me know. But that's cool.
This is really cool.
That's cool.
I thought a Nismo floppy is what you do after you have a bender in Japan.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds like something you order in Figueroa.
You got the good old Nismo floppy.
Yeah, all this stuff looks good. This is the tedious part, and then the engine. What I was suggesting to the guys is like, let's put all the brand new stuff on here first. You know, like some of the Nismo piping, the cam angle sensor, you know, the new fan, this shit. You know, just to kind of make it nice and clean. I like the lower subframe, the front subframe. Shit looks nice. Looks good. Yeah, things is gonna come along good. Obviously, the remade manifold. Bueno, that's a sticker, so we'll peel that off at the end. Yeah, things looks good, man.
Yeah, damn near everything is either brand new or restored, so there's not really a lot left that has not been messed around with. Even stuff that is in decent shape, which is good.
This is the power steering rack? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, look at this shit.
So that's still getting new ball joints, which we have.
New what joints?
I'm sorry, tie rods, ball joints. I'm thinking about balls.
You're thinking about the balls, huh?
I always do.
I got new tie rods and stuff.
Yeah,
oh, okay.
I have them.
Okay, cool, yeah.
The Nismo motor mounts are on too.
She didn't say Nismo on it. How dare them? That's cool, man. Yeah, you know, between all the builds that I have, I just always forget that they exist. Like, forgot my Supra exists. I'm sure you guys forgot it too, but it's getting worked on. So, but yeah, this is all my shit. Yeah.
Some of it's on the car now, but still got a lot of shit. We got stuff over here.
We're gonna put those Ganadors on, yeah?
Yep.
There's a great wall of Nismo.
Over here you have some more shit.
The rotors.
That's rotors.
Rotors and then brakes. I just noticed that these match the tow hook in the back. Did you notice the tow hook?
Yeah, that's thanks to this homeboy right here.
It's kind of like if we didn't go match color match.
He did it. The color matches?
Yeah.
Should we compare?
Oh, don't do it.
Oh, shit.
Where's the front?
The front hook is up top.
Let's see.
In the passenger.
Let's see. That's pretty spot on. Now that's called a paint match, homie. That's the rear hook. That goes in the back.
Okay.
Sticks out like my dick.
This would go right here?
Yeah, exactly.
Ooh, I was wondering.
I thought that's where you put like your drink.
You could. Or like my, you know, it's thick enough. That looks like a, actually that's really thick. Like a 7.5 inches thick, maybe. Mine's 6.5. Circumference. I could tell you never measured circumference before, bro. You're a behind the balls kind of a guy or what? That's cheating, homie.
I always I measure from.
Here.
Oh my god.
I measure from the like. I don't measure from the top. I measure from the other side.
Behind?
Yeah.
That's cheating, dog.
Oh.
Yeah, you gotta press against the pubic bone, and that's it.
Oh man, you have to use everything you got, man.
Shit, I know, but when it comes down to, I guess it's too late when it comes down to it, huh? That's pretty smart, bro.
Yeah.
Obviously, a Nismo copper mix clutch. This is the RR, so it's good for 700-ish.
Twin disc.
Yeah, twin disc, nice. Throw out bearings like OEM, so it feels good.
Stuff too. Oh, they can get a better feel though, probably look up here. The frame bolt, U-bolt. It's a nice finish.
It is a nice finish. It's got like this.
Cool.
It's kind of got like a colorish. Yeah, you guys can definitely see that there.
That's the zinc, but the black zinc.
So
The what?
It's the colored zinc.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, it looks great.
black zinc
Fucking
matters.
Wakanda. That shit looks hot. I like it.
All this. I mean, every.
Once the brand new shit starts going in, it's gonna look. I'm gonna like it a lot more. Yeah, I like looking at stuff like this.
I think low key, it would have been a lot if you would have just done regular zinc coating. It would have been a lot. Like the thing would have been.
You mean too poppy?
Too much? Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause there's a lot.
I mean, look at all this stuff.
I know.
everything here. So imagine all this and just that.
Yeah, it would have been a little
too much.
I don't want the focus there. I want to focus other places.
I mean, I know you live in Glendale, right? Or no, Pasadena. So I know, like that's right up your alley.
Is it?
You know? But yeah,
Gold chains?
Yeah. Everything came out good.
Yeah, no, it looks good. Just want to start putting it in. Mm-hmm. Cool. So, what, you guys are going to put the so you guys are going to do the front end now, basically.
Right now we're on the front portion of it, so all the accessories for the engine bay are in for the vast majority besides my ABS box that I still need to clean up a little more. I mean, we're saving labels and reconditioning, so.
That's what I'm talking about.
It's gonna look good.
No, looks good.
So, yeah.
Bueno, muy bueno. Muy bueno. Panochitas gorditas.
My favorite.
I know.
My favorite.
You guys are going to have to Google Translate that one.
We'll see when Vegas is celebrating what this is doing.
This ain't going to Vegas.
So we are.
Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. Well, guys, I don't know how much you want me to drag this on. I don't really get paid that much for this. So, but looking forward to the shock towers coming in at the end, I'm assuming.
You want to see kind of what they're going to look like?
Do you want me to? Oh, yeah, yeah. I think, did we show this already? No, I didn't.
About this.
That's cool. And then what, you're just gonna, this is nice.
This is just our templates. 3D print.
You know how much you're gonna sell these for? Yet?
Not yet.
Still trying to price it out?
Not yet. It cost me more what I charge you to make.
No, I know. No, of course. I mean.
But it'll be cool. I think I already have maybe like a few sets sold already. So
Nice.
You'll be the first one on this car.
Perfect. First one on this car. That means he sold it to someone else already on a different car. You got to listen to the words, guys. He's playing me. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, you're the first one.
I know. I appreciate you, bro.
The first one.
No, I'm looking forward to it. And I'm looking forward to you guys subscribing. And I don't really post that much right now. It is what it is. I will come back swinging, or I'm going to disappear completely off YouTube. It's up to you guys, and it's up to how I feel based on all the bullshit that I'm going through right now. But I will definitely keep you guys posted. For sure, I'm going to finish this series. I want you guys to see. There's a couple other cars that I'm building for some friends right now, too. I want to show you guys that. But yeah, if you guys can, hit that subscribe button for your boy. I'm going to appreciate that, and I'll definitely catch you guys on the next one. Peace.